First one for today. Prove that b minus a cos c into sin a is equal to a cos a sin c. This is what you have to prove. Now consider LHS. What do you have on LHS? B minus a cos c sin a. B can be written as c cos a plus a cos c minus a cos c sin a. Plus a cos c minus a cos c cancel. So c cos a sin a. Now c can be written as 2r sin c cos a sin a. 2r sin a cos a sin c. 2r sin a is a cos a sin c. So we are just changing this, we are keeping this 2r for sin a so that you get small a. So 2r sin a cos a sin c is a cos a sin c. That's about this problem. Let us discuss the next problem. We have the next set of problems. A cube sin b minus c is equal to 0. So here what you have to do is take a square out, a into sin b minus c, a square. A is nothing but 2r sin a sin b minus c. Take 2r out, a square. Sin a can be written as 180 minus b plus c sin b minus c. 2r into summation a square sin b plus c into sin b minus c. 2r a square sin of b plus c into sin of b minus c. Sin square b minus sin square c is 2r summation a square into sin b is r square by b square by 4r square minus c square by 4r square. So if you take 4r square out, have summation a square into b square minus c square. 2 1s are 2 2s are r gets cancelled. So it is 1 by 2r to summation a square into b square minus c square. Now this is nothing but 1 by 2r a square into b square minus c square plus c square into a square minus b square plus b square into a square, b square is over, a square minus c square is over, a square plus c square minus c square b square, b into c square minus a square. So if you add all this, you will get 0. 1 by 2r into 0, that is equal to 0. Therefore summation a cube into sin of b minus c is equal to 0. This is into here, into. Now prove that a by bc plus cos a by a, b by ca cos b by b, c by ab cos c by c are equal. So consider a by bc plus cos a by a is equal to a by bc. Cos a is that can be written as b square plus c square minus a square by 2abc. If we take 2abc as the LCM, what is missing here? 2a is missing. So this is nothing but 2a square plus b square plus c square minus a square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc. Similarly, b by ca plus cos b by b is equal to a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc. Also, c by ab plus cos c by c is equal to a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc. Just like you have proved this one, you can prove this one and this one are equal to this one. So therefore, a by bc plus cos a by a is equal to b by ca plus cos b by b is equal to c by ab plus cos c by c. This is what you can prove. That's about this problem, children. Let us discuss some more problems. Okay, see here the next set of problems. A cos a plus b cos b plus c cos c is equal to 4r sin a sin b sin c. Let us take LHS. A cos a plus b cos b plus c cos c. A is 2r sin a, b is 2r sin b, c is 2r sin c. Take r common. You will have sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. Sin plus sin, 2 sin cos, that is 2 sin a plus b by 2. 2a plus 2b by 2 cos 2a minus 2b by 2. You will get sin of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Sin 2c is nothing but 2 sin c cos c. A plus b can be written as 180 minus c cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. R into 2 sin 180 minus c is sin c cos a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. Take sin c out. You have cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Cos minus cos is 2 sin sin, because you have minus sign here, you will get plus 2 sin sin, 2 sin a sin b. 2r into 2, 4r, 4r sin a sin b sin c, that is equal to RHS. Let us discuss the next problem. Summation a square sin b minus c by sin b plus sin c is equal to 0. Take LHS. A square into sin b minus c by sin b plus sin c. From 1a you are taking 2r sin a, 1a is out, sin of b minus c. A can be written as 180 minus b plus c, 2r sin b plus c sin b minus c by sin b plus sin c. A into 2r, sin of b plus c into sin of b minus c, sin square b minus sin square c. From sin square b minus sin square c, you can write it as sin b plus sin c into sin b minus sin c. Sin b plus sin c, sin b plus sin c cancel. You have sin b minus sin c. So here a into 2r you take it inside. A into 2r sin b minus 2r sin c. So a into b minus c. A into b minus c. So here this a into b minus c can be written as a into b, summation a into b minus c can be written as a into b minus c plus c into a minus b plus b into c minus a. Open the bracket, ab minus ac, ac minus bc, bc minus ab. Cancel all, you will get 0. So summation a square by sin b minus c by sin b plus sin c is equal to 0. So that's about today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.